Meaning of Holy Writ.
Holy Writ.
Holy Writ.
Holy Writ.
Holy Writ. Holy Writ is a term used to refer to sacred scriptures or texts, especially those that are considered authoritative in a religious context. The term can be applied to a variety of religious texts, such as the Bible, the Quran, or the Bhagavad Gita. These texts are often considered to have been divinely inspired or dictated by a higher power and are therefore regarded as the ultimate source of truth and wisdom for believers. In essence, Holy Writ represents the highest form of religious authority and serves as a guide for how believers should live their lives.